And hi again, everybody out there. I bet you can't guess who this is. Mark Mannering here again from Class Training, just in case you've forgotten, with another 3-minute Thursdays. 3 tips in 3 minutes, more or less. And just wanted to quickly focus on some great tips with the Format Painter, which I reckon a lot of you have used before. Now, with my Excel spreadsheet here, I'm going to use the Format Painter top left-hand corner of the screen. And the first tip is to put it on the Quick Access toolbar. I'm just going to go right-click here, Add to Quick Access toolbar, and there it is now, just so I can get to it any time. And the second tip is how to use it. Now, most of you would know we're going to use it to copy the formatting from one particular cell, in this case, to other cells. I'm going to click here on this cell, and I want to copy its formatting to other cells in the spreadsheet. I go up to the Format Painter button, I go click, and I can click and drag across like that, down, and away we go. Pretty straightforward. I'll just undo that, Control Z. Now, the tricky bit is if you want to copy the formatting to individual cells. I'm going to click on that cell again, and we go up to the format, and then I go to one particular cell and click on it. Now, that turns the Format Painter off, and if I want to copy the formatting to more cells which aren't next to each other, I need to go back to the Format Painter again. I've got to go click, and then go to another one, and then go back to the Format Painter again, and keep activating the Format Painter. Let's undo those, Control Z, back to where we were. So the second tip is just how to use the Format Painter. The third and final tip is to how to keep that on, how to keep the Format Painter on without having to click the button each time. So what we do is we click the cell we want to copy the formatting from, and we go up to the Format Painter and double click. Double clicking keeps it on. So now I can just go click that cell, this cell, and you can see the Format Painter has been left on. Click, click, and the last one, that'll do. And we stop the Format Painter button by just clicking the button again or pressing the Escape key. Done. Okay, so I've got a Word document here, and the same thing applies to Word and the Format Painter. So I want to copy the formatting from this Word here. I just double click, and then I go up to the Format Painter here and double click again to keep it on, which I've just done. Now I can click and drag a number of words, double click a particular word, and you can see the Format Painter has been left on. Again, click the Format Painter to turn it off or press the Escape key, all done. So that was the third big tip, just double click the Format Painter button to keep it on. We cover a lot more on this in our courses, so keep an eye on the website for our courses coming up in both Word, Excel and PowerPoint and all the other things we do. Also, advanced belly dancing is a new one we've been delivering. So keep an eye on that, and Mark Mannering signing off. See you again soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.